What if you can earn anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 in passive income without doing any work once you set up the system? I'll teach you exactly how to copy and paste simple images in this short video. So once you've set up the system, you won't need to do any additional work. There's no need to sell anything, make a referral, engage in affiliate marketing, gain followers, or use social media in any way. So continue watching until the very end to find out all the secrets to quickly and easily triple your income. You can literally make 3 times more money than people who don't watch until the end. So, once again, make sure you stay tuned and don't miss any of the bonus tips. Hey! Welcome to MoneyTalk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, I'm going to talk about how to earn $21 using this copy-paste strategy. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. So first, I want you to go to google.com and search for cute animals. Then I want you to click on the images button, which will take you to a page with lots of pictures of cute animals. So you can actually use them to make a lot of money online with a special website and a unique strategy. So let's move on. I want you to go to a website called Teespring. So you can visit teespring.com. Basically, Teespring is a platform that you can use for free to make different products that you can sell online. You don't have to talk to anyone though. It's much easier and less complicated than you think. And like I said, all you have to do is copy and paste the images and upload them on teespring.com. Once you upload all the images and designs to Teespring, they will help you print those designs on different clothes, t-shirts, and other things. So there are many different kinds of clothes on teespring.com. So just look at all the patterns there. So you can upload, copy and paste some simple images and they'll help you print them on different t-shirts automatically. And look at this. A t-shirt, for example, costs $21. And there are literally hundreds of thousands of different designs on teespring.com. And you can sell just about anything there. Just copy and paste the pictures. So this is pretty much how it works. First, you have to come up with a product. Using Teespring Launcher is as easy as clicking the Start Designing button. And in just a moment, I'll show you exactly how to use your phone or a computer to start making different t-shirt designs by uploading images and copying and pasting them. Make sure you stay in the loop and don't miss out on that. Also, teespring.com lets you create and design products in many different categories. So once you've made your product, we'll move on to the next step, which is to get more people to buy it. You can use the network that is already there, a tool, or a partnership. Don't worry, as I promised, I'll give you some bonus tips at the end of this video on how to make more sales and get a lot of people to buy your design without selling, referring, or having any technical skills. It's pretty simple and it's already working. So Teespring will help the manufacturer, shipper, and fulfiller from orders from all over the world. They even help you with customer service, which is handled by a professional team. And all you're going to do is collect your profits and make money with Teespring. So it's actually a very simple process. All you have to do is make a product, which is the most important thing, and copy and paste some high quality images from Google. So right now, all you have to do is go back to teespring.com's homepage and click on the Start Designing button at the top. So that will take you to a page where you can sign up for the top creator platform in the world. So all you have to do is fill out some simple personal information, click I'm not a robot, and then click sign up, just like that. So once you set up your account and put in your personal information, you'll move on to the next step, which is building up your first Teespring store. So you have to give your store a name and click continue. In the next step, you have to tell them more about yourself by telling them what your role is. Now, you can choose between marketer, content creator, designer, organization, and so on. So from there, you have to connect one of your social accounts to the social platform to prove that you are a real person. So from there, you can choose YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media platform. Once you choose one of these social media accounts, all you have to do is click continue. And in less than a minute, you'll have access to your own online store on Teespring. Hey, before I continue, I want to know if you're interested in having a side hustle like this. You know what? Let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so don't worry. I'll show you exactly how to do this and you can start copying and pasting right away. So all you have to do is click on the button that says Create a Product. and that will take you to a page with different categories of popular products. So they will give you a lot of different ideas about what's popular and in style right now, such as joggers, fanny packs, face masks, etc., and other categories that are popular right now, like online clothing and accessories. Now, if you don't like any of these categories, you can just scroll down and look for a lot of different templates and things you can make. There are just so many of them, you can tell. So in this video, I'll show you the best one to start with, which is the classic. So all you have to do to start designing is click the button. So right now you have to upload an image and then copy and paste an image on top of the t-shirt as your own design. So right now I want you to go back to Google and look for pictures of cute animals. Then you have to pick one of those pictures. So in this video, I'll show you an example with a turtle, because there are a lot of turtle fans out there who love to buy any design with a turtle on it, like a t-shirt with the cute turtles on the front. So once you choose the turtle picture, all you have to do is save it to your computer, take a screenshot, or save it to your phone. It's free of charge. To add an image, all you have to do is click the button. So once you've uploaded your picture successfully, it will show up on the t-shirt. So right now you can drag and drop photos wherever you want, or you can drag them to make them bigger. So just copy the picture from Google and paste it as a design on teespring.com. It's that easy. So the next step is to choose a color for the product. In this case, you'll choose white for your t-shirt color and then go down to a set price for your product. So by default, they'll suggest a price of $28.99, and you can make 15% per sale. Again, Teespring will automatically help you market and sell the t-shirt every single day. Now, if you look at the statistics on the similar web, you can see that over 20 million people visit teespring.com every month. So people go to teespring.com to buy the t-shirt and design they want, which is what I like about it, as well as how easy it is for a beginner to get started. And the reason you can only keep 15% of the profit and Teespring keeps the rest is because they help you sell and market the product. So you can make $15 in profit without selling anything, getting referrals, or having any technical skills. All you have to do is copy and paste an image and upload it. So that is a very crazy deal and a very good plan. So once you're happy with your design, all you have to do is click the continue button at the bottom, and that's it. Your design will be printed right on top of the clothing you order on teespring.com. So as I promised, I'll show you one more extra tip to help you sell even more. I want you to go to facebook.com right now, and I'm pretty sure you all have an account there. Now when you go to Facebook, I want you to search the keyword turtle lovers. By default, the filter section is set to all, but I want you to choose groups instead. So there are a lot of turtle loving groups you can join right there. So if you can post a simple design right there on the group, you can get a lot of sales without talking to anyone. And they're very targeted sales because everyone who joins this group loves turtles, and that's exactly how you can make a lot of money online by copying and pasting simple images. So now that you know all of this, are you ready to copy and paste? Well, comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Click subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!